Some days it rains, some days it pours, and some days are beautiful and sunny. Hi, I'm Darren Findling from the Probate Pro, and we don't get to determine when it's going to rain and when it's going to be sunny. Most of the families that I meet with are in tremendous stress. They're really dealing with problems where it feels like it is raining and pouring on them and they get no relief. The goal of any good probate practitioner is to come in with great experience, logic, and empathy to allow people to manage their way through this grief or the tragedy that they're facing, and allow them to manage their way through the probate process at the pace that they're able to handle. Probate can be incredibly emotional, incredibly difficult, and often it feels like you're in a flood. If you want an empathetic, skilled, competent probate practitioner, give us a call at the Probate Pro, 877-YOUR-FIRM, or visit us at theprobatepro.com.